Welcome back. Today's episode is all about something everyone loves, the weekend. 2 days that feel like a deep breath after a long, busy week. No alarms, no rushing, no stress, just comfort, slow moments, and a chance to enjoy life.
In this video, you'll hear a natural English conversation, helpful vocabulary, ideas for how to spend your weekend, and even some personal stories. So settle in, relax, and let's plan the perfect weekend together.
Let's start with this question. What does the weekend mean to you? For many people, weekends are for rest, sleeping a little longer, having breakfast slowly, and finally enjoying a peaceful morning.
And for many others, weekends are for adventure, trying out a new cafe, exploring nature, or visiting a new place in the city. Some people love staying home, while others feel excited to go out.
And that's what makes weekends special. Everyone uses them differently. But one thing is common. We all need a break. A break from work, from noise, from routine. A chance to reset.
And the best part? You can choose your pace. Fast, slow, busy, relaxed. Your weekend is yours.
Let's talk about realistic weekend plans. Not the fantasy ones like traveling to another country in 2 days. Realistic plans are simple and refreshing. Here are a few ideas. Make a slow breakfast. Clean or organize your space. Catch up on sleep. Do grocery shopping. Call or visit a friend. Go for a walk. Try a new recipe. Spend time with family. Watch a movie or series. Read a book.
A good weekend usually has a mix of 3 things. 1 relaxing activity, 1 productive activity, and 1 fun activity. When you balance these 3, the weekend feels complete.
Let's learn some easy English phrases you can use when talking about weekend plans. Repeat after me. I'm planning to relax this weekend. I might go out with friends. I want to catch up on sleep. Let's hang out this Sunday. I'm thinking of watching a movie. I need to do some chores. I want to spend time with my family. I'm planning a quiet weekend at home.
And here are useful verbs. Sleep in, wake up late, chill, relax, clean up, go hiking, eat out, cook something, visit someone, take a break, unwind.
Using these words makes your English sound natural and confident.
All right, let's plan the weekend. How should it start?
The perfect weekend starts with a slow, quiet morning. No alarm, just waking up naturally, stretching a little, and taking your time.
Yes, a slow breakfast is important too. Maybe pancakes, maybe eggs, or maybe something sweet. Even making breakfast can feel relaxing when there's no rush.
Exactly. And after breakfast, maybe a little walk in the morning sun. Fresh air can completely change your mood.
A walk sounds great. A peaceful place with trees, maybe a lake, or even just a quiet neighborhood street. Walking is like therapy.
After the walk, maybe something fun. For example, recording a little vlog, taking pictures of nature, or journaling your thoughts.
I like the idea of a mini vlog. Something simple like my weekend morning routine. It's fun and also a good memory.
Now for lunch, maybe something light. Sandwiches, grilled chicken, pasta, or fresh fruits. Weekends are perfect for trying new recipes.
Afternoon time is interesting. Some people like to rest, others like to explore. What's better, staying home or going out?
Both are good. Staying home means comfort. Going out means excitement. Let's imagine both versions. A cozy afternoon at home can be amazing. You can watch a movie, organize your room, or lie down and listen to music.
Or do a little skincare routine, light a candle, or read something relaxing. Home is the softest place for weekends.
Going out can be refreshing too. A small cafe, a quiet bookstore, a mall, or even a short drive somewhere peaceful.
Trying a new food place is my favorite. Weekends are made for food adventures.
Now let's talk about Saturday evening. Movie night is perfect. Something funny, something comforting, nothing too stressful.
Yes, comedy movies, animated films, or something feel-good. Make popcorn, get a drink, sit comfortably, and enjoy.
Nighttime on weekends feels different, softer, calmer, and somehow happier.
And after the movie, a little reflection is nice. Thinking about the week, feeling grateful, and letting your mind rest.
Sunday should be balanced, half fun, half productive. It's the day that prepares you for the next week.
Morning can start again with slow breakfast or tea, then maybe meeting a friend or visiting family.
A small outing with a friend is perfect. A cafe, a mall, a restaurant, or even a simple walk somewhere.
Afternoon can be your productive time, cleaning your space, organizing your closet, doing laundry, or planning the week.
Planning the week is one of the best habits. Writing tasks, setting goals, and preparing mentally makes everything easier.
Evening should be peaceful again. A warm shower, soft music, maybe some stretching. Ending the weekend with calm energy improves your entire week.
Let me share a story. One weekend, there were no big plans. No outings, no events, nothing special. It ended up being the best weekend ever.
What made it special?
Quietness, cooking slowly, resting, watching old movies, cleaning the desk, and taking a long walk. Sometimes simple things feel better than big plans.
I have a story too. There was a weekend filled with too many plans. Cleaning, cooking, going out, meeting people, finishing work. Everything in 2 days. It looked productive, but it was exhausting.
That happens to a lot of people.
Yes, I learned that the best weekend is simple, not overloaded. Here are quick tips for a great weekend. 1. Don't overplan. 2. Do one relaxing thing. 3. Do one productive thing. 4. Move your body, walk or stretch. 5. Eat something delicious. 6. Spend time with someone you like. 7. Limit your phone time. 8. Get some sunshine. 9. Give your mind silence. 10. Plan your week early.
These small habits can make your weekend peaceful and meaningful.
Here's something important. Your weekend doesn't have to be perfect. You don't need fancy plans or expensive trips.
All you need is one thing that makes you happy and one thing that makes you better.
That's enough.
Thank you for watching. Tell us in the comments, what's your weekend plan?
Like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations. See you in the next video.